which is mid-month May 2019. I did get to work 2 days that I was off. Make up for a little of the money that I didn't collect from the holidays of the previous week. So I got this check coming up tomorrow, and these 2 checks before the end of the month. I'm told that we're not working on the 27th on Memorial Day. I don't know yet. I'll know better when I get closer to it, I guess. And eBay took their money for the I guess that'll be April's invoice. Not really much going on this month yet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you know anything that goes on between now and the end of the month. Towards the end of the month would be this paycheck. That would have to be enough to cover the house payment. City should be paid off by then completely, so that probably won't be there. But this has to cover the house payment and groceries. And by the time Mariner is due again, I should receive another paycheck. So I still haven't put anything in savings in a while, so it's all been spent as I get it, which I don't really like that. I don't like that at all. I did have one return on eBay, one of the electric controller cards that I sold. They said that they couldn't get it to work, but they said it in a broken English that I don't think English is their first language. I'm pretty sure that that card did work. So I sent them a return label to send it back. I'll see if they bother sending it back or not. Also, I ordered a new visor on eBay for my car. This is the passenger side. $25 plus 8, I think 8 something shipping. It wasn't much. I'll do a video on that, replacing that as well. I need the driver's side. Also, I can't find one that cheap on eBay to buy. So I guess I'll have to either wait it out or something. But anyway, I will update again later when it gets closer to the end of the month. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like and subscribe. And leave your questions and comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.